Namaste. Welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr Sudarshan. Today's question is arrowroot powder helpful in burning urination? If yes, how to consume it and what are the qualities as per Ayurveda? Arrowroot is known as Tavakshira or Tugakshiri in Ayurveda. Its botanical name is Curcuma angustifolia and it belongs to the family Zingiberaceae. It is mentioned in Ayurveda for the treatment of cough, dyspnea, general debility, fever and diarrhea. Kerakhand granules is an Ayurvedic medicine which contains arrowroot as one of the ingredients. Let us learn about the qualities of arrowroot according to Ayurveda. According to the treatise Rajanighantu, Tavakshiram tu madhuram, Shishiram daha pittanut, Kshaya kasa kafashwasa nashanam, cha asra doshanut. That means Tavakshiri or arrowroot is madhuram, sweet, Shishiram, coolant, daha pittanut, reduces burning sensation and pitta, Kshaya kasa kafa shwasa nashanam, cures depletion of body tissues, cha asra doshanut, cures disorders related to blood. Coming to the question, is arrowroot powder helpful in burning micturition? If we analyze the qualities of arrowroot, we can see that it is coolant, reduces burning sensation and pacifies pitta dosha. So, these qualities can be helpful in burning urination. For burning urination, 5 grams of arrowroot powder mixed with milk and consumed. Arrowroot can be used in preparing sauces, soups and jellies. It is also useful as a thickening agent. So, if you do not want to use it alone, you can incorporate arrowroots into your cooking. A research study has been conducted on physical and functional properties of arrowroot starch exudates. Thanks for watching. Learn Ayurveda step by step with us. Join our weekly online classes. Link is in the video description below this video. See you in the next video. This is Dr. Sudarshan signing off. Namaste.